Career 360 framework that was unveiled by the Don Wood Foundation in partnership with OrthoWorx and Northeast Indiana Works and Greater Fort Wayne Inc. and some of the programming that they're doing to highlight and provide a framework that allows students and employers and educators to come together and figure out what does career exploration look like today.
So I think for a long time our model has really been, if you happen to know someone, you're getting influenced by people who happen to be in that business or industry, which is fine if you have access to those business leaders and those business opportunities. But for so many of our students, that's not an option. And by hopefully changing the paradigm and changing what happens is we're opening the door for employers to access a higher percentage of our talent and young people who have the ability and just don't have the opportunity. So you're creating more opportunity for those students to come in and fill that pipeline and understand what it's going to take to move into those careers.
Well, there's a lot of good people involved, and it takes a community to move the needle on opportunities for our kids. Would I have become an art teacher and then an administrator in schools if I had strong internship opportunities back in 1982 and 1980? Who knows, right? But this will allow students and their families to better inform their decisions, and that's what this is really about.
And so I think by providing this framework, it gives us an opportunity to bridge the gap in that conversation between educators and employers to really put the student development experience at the epicenter of this effort.
There's opportunity to kind of level a playing field to create more opportunities, but no matter where you're coming from in Northeast Indiana, urban, rural, suburban, you're going to have access to the world of work and an understanding of what it's going to take to get to where you need to go in your career.